morning. Long time no see, right? Alright, I have a project today. My boat is still not in the water. But today we're going to work on this guy. Look at it. It's been sitting here for a year. Hasn't moved. Because I've been having an issue with it. I'll tell you what the issue is. Well, there's a couple issues. One, the battery's smoked. So I have a new battery for it. Two, the alternator is seized from sitting there for forever. So I can't run it because it'll just squeal, the belt. And then three is, where is it? Coil. The coil pack. I think my coil is bad. Oh no, I gotta fix that. Oh, the plow tipped back. Oh, I don't have the wings collapsed all the way. That's the problem. Ah, crap. Anyways, the Jeep runs for, 10, 15 minutes, and then it'll just shut off. Well, it won't shut off. It'll start sputtering and popping and backfiring, and then I can keep it running by, messing with the pedal or whatever, but it'll eventually stall and shut off. So I think what's happening is the coil is breaking down, because it seems like as the weather gets warmer, I can go less of a distance with it before it'll start breaking down. And I know that's what coils do. When they get hot, well, these ones aren't. The ones I'm used to are like the canister ones, and they got oil in them. And then you can shake them, and you can hear the oil. You can hear like chunks of it like solidifying in there, and that's how you know the coil's bad. But I think this kind of does the same thing. I think it starts to break down inside, and then it doesn't spark properly, and then until it shuts off. So that's kind of what's happening. So I think I'm going to do that for $30. I might as well. I also ordered a crank sensor because that can kind of do the same thing. But usually with the crank sensor, it'll just shut off, won't restart again, until it cools down or whatever. This doesn't. It's not acting like that. It sputters and pops and stuff, backfires and everything before it shuts down. So that's that. And then the most expensive thing that I bought today was the battery. I think it was like $10 more than the alternator. I mean, it was like $10 more than the battery. I think I paid like 120 something for this. Not horrible, but it doesn't even look like a reman. It looks like a brand new one. So it also doesn't look like it's the same. I don't know. We'll see. But let's go over there and bleeding. Damn it. Let's go over there and start working on this thing. Throw some parts at it, see if we can make a difference. Should turn you back on when I get going. Everything's very rusty on this Jeep right now. I neglected it for 2 years. Well, not 2 years. I didn't take it out one single time last year. So the year before it I did, but now we're approaching May, and I just want to get this thing running. So I like taking it down to the river with the dogs and stuff. So, well, with Porter, I never had rudder in it. We're going to take rudder in it now, but hopefully he doesn't jump out. He's a little bit touched, but we'll see. Battery is actually too large. Alright. These hold downs. Alrighty. The wing nut. Well, that tray's rotten. So I gotta go this side of it. Alright. Which side? This is positive here. They sold me a dual post battery. Got on the front end top. I don't know why, but apparently some Jeeps have a side post. I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, that fits in there way better. Way, way, way better. Yeah, that thing's gonna work too. Good. It's in there. Okay. Is this the right one up? Yep. Uh-oh. Ah, this one came out. I gotta take this out, damn it. You guys can't see. Oh, battery's dying. Charge up. Oh, these bolts are pretty rusty down here, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get. Well, first of all, my elbow's gonna be in your way, but let's see if it's a 10. Yeah, appears to be a 10. Let's see if I'm gonna make any leeway on this. Ooh. Uh-oh. Did it break? No. 10 is too big. Whoever uses a 9. 9s don't even come in toolkits anymore, I don't think. So it's probably not a 9. It's probably 3/8 or something, right? 5/16? No. Yeah, that's not working. So 3/8. Is this too big? Too small? 3/8 is. I think that's too small or too big. Oh, maybe not. Maybe that'll work. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, it's gonna break. Yeah, it broke, didn't it? Oh no, it didn't break. It's rounding it over. That's good. That's good. Alright, so I need a 3/8. If I can get that one off that side, I can get that one. Where are you? If I can, yeah, look at this. See this crack? Thinking that might have something to do with it. Anyways, I gotta try to, man, what am I gonna do? Well, that one broke off. So it is 3/8. Is there a lock washer on there? It is. Is that just a nut? That's a lock washer. Get this out of there. I gotta go get this out of here. Alright, Brian's here, so you know nothing's happening. No, what happened was the old coil was nut and bolt, and it looks like the bolt is seized inside the coil itself. We couldn't get on the nut, so I actually had to bend the plate out a little bit. We were able to get a hacksaw or a sawzall back there and cut the nut off the back, and then we got it out. So we just went up to the hardware store, bought some new hardware, and now we're going to reinstall this. The way they had the lock washers for some reason on this side.
Okay, that doesn't make much sense. But
I wouldn't think so either. So it looks like, I mean, it looks factory, but I don't know why they would put the lock nuts on that side. Or the lock washers, I say.
that makes no sense. What do we know? There ain't no factory. Or you want to take over?
Yeah. Go.
Want to hold camera?
Chief can do it.
Not just staring at your face.
Chief can do it. See?
There's John's head again.
Head.
It's either John's head or Alon's ass.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
There's no in between. Actually, you want me to try and hold?
Oh, you know what's gonna suck is getting that thing in there
With a bent?
Well, I don't. Oh, I got it. I think I got it. Probably the washer's in the way because it's a stupid washer. Oh! No, the head of it's in the way. Oh, did you get it? Did you get something?
Definitely get that nut started though.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
All right.
There you go.
Okay, there. Now she's all the way.
Okay.
All right.
Why couldn't it come apart this easy? Right?
Well, back in 90, what'd you say?
99.
Dude, they built shit to last.
I don't know if I can get my hand in there with you there.
You all right?
Yep.
You ain't helping them, you're hurting them.
What's that from?
Jim Rome Show.
Uh-oh, dropped it.
Come on, are you dead serious?
Yeah, I dropped it. Hang on. Up out of the way. I think it's right there.
No, that's where we were sawzalling. Huh.
It's back here.
Hang on.
Oh, yeah. Wait. Did it fall down? Had to fall. Ah, did it fall? Oh. Where'd it go? I knew I should have bought more than $1.07. Oh, there it is. Found it. Nailed it.
Sweet.
Got it. Hang on.
Stand by.
I'm standing by. Ooh, there's an oil leak.
We'll get to that one next.
Yeah.
That'll be the next video. We just torch it.
She's a little weepy. Come on, Fitz. Get them fingers working. Fuzzy caterpillars. Oh, come on.
Nailed it?
No.
Fuck.
Stop swearing.
Well, you can put swears in your video.
No, I edited it out.
You can.
I edited it out.
We watch videos all the time where people swear.
I know, but I don't like it on my
Oh, okay then.
So, now the question is this 3/8 now? Okay, so 7/16. It's not 7/16.
10?
Probably. Oh, it looks like it's 7/16. What's going on here, fella?
We probably could have tried it before we put them in the...
Right? That, you know, that's only smart stuff, though. Only smart people
So
do
we know
stuff
we
like
got the
that.
exact right tools.
Yeah. It's weird, though. Like, who does that? check these when I was out of the truck?
I don't know.
What in the world, Bri?
Do you want me to try and get my small girlish little hands down in there? Something happening?
Okay, that's tight. I just couldn't hear the ratcheting, so I didn't think it was doing anything.
Whisper quiet.
But now I can hear it. Well, it helps when the boys leave this out on the trailer overnight and it rains on it. It's good for it.
Water's a lubricant.
Right?
That's why you rev your engine up to $3,000 and spray some water in the cylinders.
I still can't believe you told me to do that. That's the most amazing thing I've ever heard anybody say.
That'll seal those valves up.
I mean, he's got it. It had to be a joke, right?
I don't know.
All right, so
Our next step.
Coil wire here. Right there.
Did you plug that thing into the back of it?
Yep. And then this plug wire here. That. Okay, so now I didn't feel this thing click though, so I'm not worried about it. You know what I mean?
Clicking.
I guess turn it over. See it. It's gonna squeal like a son of a bitch because that alternator's seized, but I want to see if at least that spark. You know what I mean? So that's that. Now the alternator should be easy. Now loosen that bolt.
This one?
Nope.
And this one.
Right, but first you gotta take the belt off.
Oh, well, that would make sense.
So the way you do it is you loosen the bolt on this pulley here, and then you take this bolt and you back it off. And what that does, it moves that thing away, loosening the belt. So let me get some tools. What plug? The back of the?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's a bolt. Is there a boot on it?
Looks like it's an actual plug-in.
So that should be loose enough there. Now I gotta get a socket on here. What, who puts a 15? 15s aren't even used anywhere. You know what I mean? Like they don't even come with your socket sets anymore, I don't think.
That's a Jeep, baby.
So which way do I gotta go? I think I gotta loosen. Right? What's this doing? No, let's bring it up. No, loosen. I don't know what I gotta do. I gotta loosen. That'll make this longer. So if you look at, yeah, loosen that bolt there. Then this one here, see how it goes through that sleeve back there? That's what pushes that pulley away, loosening the belt. If I were smart, I'd have a 15mm socket on here, but I'm not. So, watching this struggle. Yeah, I'm getting a 15mm. Come on, dum-dum.
What'd you say, fungi?
Come on, guy. I see the pulley moving, so I know it's loosening. Oh, it should come off. Come off one of these smooth belts pulleys.
Yep.
Okay. Alrighty. Put that aside. Now we have to take off this bolt and that bolt. And that's going to be a nightmare. But we're going to do it with sockets this time. Instead of being dumb. Of course, don't have a 14. So I do, it's right here. I think it's 14. But not. Been wrong so far. It's still 15? Seriously?
What's up with that?
Jeep doing weird stuff. What did I do with the 15? Oh, it's a shorty. Oh, I suck at everything. Let me get a longer one.
I could get on it.
Yeah. You getting it? Are you doing the bottom one? Okay. Is there a nut on the back of this one?
I don't. Yep.
Is it turning?
Yep.
Can you put a 15 on it? Or can't you? We're gonna need another socket. Oh my god. Here, can you put it? Can you put this on there?
No.
With an extension?
No. Well, you can't even see it.
Yeah, there's a hole back there. There's a hole right through the back of this thing for a socket to go through here. Let me put an extension on it. So I think that's too short. Here. You got it? Yep.
Stop turning.
No, go ahead.
This has got to be a fun one to try and start, right?
What do you mean?
To get started?
Oh, I think what we're going to do is do the old tape in the end of the socket trick. To hold the nut on there, just
Would
hold
you
it there.
learn that from Andrew?
Yeah. My favorite YouTuber of all time. Oop. Hang on. Fell off. Go ahead. Oh. 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 Any luck? See, this is the problem that I'm having. That's seized. Can't even turn that pulley anymore. Did you get it?
Nah, she's still.
The nut's still on there?
Yeah, we must have slipped off.
Okay. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. Now it feels like you're at the end. Do you want an extension on there and you can twist it with your hand? Or you want me to just stop saying words?
Sure.
Where'd it go? Why? Why is everything missing?
I don't know why you keep moving stuff to weird spots.
Oh, there it is. Did you get it? Got it. One down. Okay, and then there's another one down there, and there's probably a nut on the back of that one too. I'd have to guess, right? It's gonna be a shorty.
Nope.
No nut?
No, it's like a round thing on a jobber.
Oh yeah. I did that in '99 with the round thingamajobbers. anything, I don't think. I think this hose, my hand, everything's in the way. It's loose, loose. Oh,
Ouch.
Apparently not that loose. Can you turn it all, or we gotta get the wrench back on it?
Kind of getting it.
Can you reach in there? That channel locks on that pulley, trying to free it up.
I see that.
No go.
Forget about it.
You didn't unplug the wires in the back, right?
Yep.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Okay.
And that little ground.
Okay,
it.
good. Nailed it. Boop. They're gonna come out the front or the back? Probably gotta come out the back. What do you think? I don't think it'll fit through here. I would hate to have to take off that frickin' air conditioner condenser or pump or whatever that thing is called. To get that. You bleeding yet?
Ouch.
Yep. Can you imagine somebody sticking a V8 in here?
That's where we put those.
That's where we keep that one.
That there, Clark, is an RV. Why does that look bigger?
Oh. God. Here. Alright, so what was on the back?
This plug and this guy.
Oh, you did loosen this off and okay.
But that nut's in much better shape than the one that I took off. See the difference?
No, that's fine. That one's fine. Here, go. Oh, dude, seriously, stop your nonsense.
We just make sure this spins.
It spins good.
Does this bushing have to stay in there?
Is it pushed in all the way, or
No,
what's it like on that one?
Like that one, I guess.
Yeah, that's it. Yep. Goes like that.
Oh man!
Come on! Stop talking and just do it.
Ow!
Yeah, it already bit me once.
Oh!
Oh!
Alright, something's live down
Maybe
here.
we should unhook the battery. Let me do
Like
that.
grounded something.
Yeah, it's all right. That happens. That happens in a world. Where'd the half-inch go? Let's take that cable off here and see what's up. That's good for the computer. Okay.
Now, normally, camera people, you start by disconnecting the battery.
Yeah, I put the battery in first. I like the game operations, so I do that stuff, you know.
Does this I guess that plastic piece stays on?
Yeah. Yeah, that keeps the wire locked in. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You gotta take that nut off, though. Or are you just gonna wait?
I'm gonna wait till it gets in there.
Okay. Try not to break all the wires again with the Sawzall.
She's a little tight.
Yeah, had the positive cable touching it, and then you ground it up to the box, to the frame. That was fun.
That's the way I roll.
Usually they just weld tight, and then you're screwed. Gotta come this way, forward. Right there. Let's start it here. Okay. That one's in. And then, are you bleeding?
Nope.
Come on.
Should I be?
Yes. You're not working on a Jeep unless you're bleeding.
All right, stand by, buddy.
Hang on, let me get this.
Oh, you want to get that one
I
started
think we gotta
first?
get it started, right?
Well, yeah.
I'm gonna need your hand though. I need to
Let me get it.
Well, okay, yeah. You start. I'll get the alternator out because it won't. Here, move your hand for a minute. Let me get close because you're not anywhere near it. Move your hand for a minute.
Started.
No, it's not started. It's not even
cool though.
It's not in, even in the near. Okay, now try it. Started.
No, I think we missed it again. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can reach both sides. I can't from the front here. That should be close.
That's right there.
Is it? Okay.
She's going. All right, so now this guy, if this, as long as that stays in there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, because it's got shoulder on it. You're good. Take it off, put it on this. Here.
Good call.
Take it off, put it on that, and we'll start it. I feel it. I think you got it, right?
Feels like
Is
it.
the thread on quite a ways?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to put the wrench on it, see what happens. You gotta, I think it's still loosened, isn't it? Nope. Now, usually the alternator is what adjusts your belt tension, you know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
But on the Jeep, they don't. They have this kind of a...
Like I said, those were the good old days.
Yep.
You just, all right, crank on this
You
as hard
pry
as you
on this
can.
pry bar and then tighten that bolt, tighten that nut. Okay. Oh. I don't know why I insist on standing here. Can't reach anything. And we gotta lace the belt back on. I don't have a diagram. Kind of know how it goes though. If the pulley has a groove in it, the groove of the belt goes in it. If the pulley has a smooth, the back of the belt goes on it.
How'd you figure that one out, Einstein?
Why is my transmission dipstick out? See it?
Yeah.
There's not a nut back there, right? What are you getting back there?
I'm plugging your stuff back in.
Oh.
Oh. Uh-oh.
So I keep that. Okay, it's tight. All right, now to lace the belt. Belt goes there. Goes under here.
So you were over and he was overdone.
Go around that one. This one here. Ooh, that's around a bolt. Can't do that. Okay. Off the back of that, which is bad. Off the front of that, which is bad. Not in the groove there, which is bad.
Get into the groove.
Oh. Why is it not? Gotta loosen this up more? That wouldn't make sense. But I gotta loosen that a little bit more. You got the...
Which one?
You got the 15?
No.
put it down again and don't know where I put it, as usual. Oh, I dropped it. That's the one I dropped. Where'd you go? There you are. Why is everything 15 millimeter on this?
I don't know. I find that weird also.
I mean, what's the equivalent of 15 millimeter in?
I'm thinking that's why they get those stickers to put on their windshields. It's a Jeep thing you wouldn't understand.
Yeah, right. What did I do?
Okay, wiring's done.
Okay. Belt, and then we're good.
That wire's going to be the first thing to loosen up.
Probably. This goes on this side. This is all it's got to do is you got to get that on that pulley. It's on everything. It's on the crank. It's a little bit off the water pump, but I don't think enough to make it bad. Oh, you get it?
Yeah.
There you go. Good.
Okay.
Come on, Muscle Beach.
Settle down, Bubs.
Mm-hmm. All right, now I can probably loosen that. Put tension on it.
Yeah.
Get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now to tighten. We're on all the grooves, right? Looks like I'm lined up everywhere. Yep.
Looks like it.
I don't know why. I mean, is that pulley bigger on that alternator, maybe? You know, because I had it pretty loose. I wonder if that alternator's just got a bigger pulley.
They look about the same, but it's tough to tell without a micrometer.
A micrometer?
Yep.
I don't want to tighten it too much, but... Oh, okay, now I can feel the belt starting to tighten up. Yeah, that feels good. Okay, I gotta tighten that bolt, and then the Jeep should start. I was having a problem though. It's either out of gas or something's up, because it'll pop and spit. Oh, fire.
Pit spot.
Unrelated to the issue that I was having though. Unrelated.
There is no relations.
There's no relations. Come on. Why can't you get in there? Okay. All right. Let go. Let go. Okay. Battery. 13 mil. Over there? Yeah, right there.
Battery.
Let's post. The clamps aren't that great. These batteries, they bottom out almost like. All right, see if it starts. I don't know if it will. There she goes. Purr like a kitten. Sounds great.
It's running.
All right, now I gotta put the stuff back together.
That other piece on the ground.
Yeah, that's right. Leave them. Try to keep those parts. The air conditioner is cycling. Watch your fingers, Fitz. Dum dum. That thing is, I think the air conditioner is working. Is that clutch engaged and disengaged?
Yep.
Might need a charge. Not seized, that's good. Can you tighten that one?
What one? Oh,
Yep. Ah, she purrs like a champ. Now I got to get it up to the shop and get a inspection sticker on it. Yeah, sit for a year, Bri.
see that?
Not even a tick.
No.
Sounded great.
Well, I fixed it.
Don't touch that. All right. Very good. Thanks, Bri, for your help. Oh yeah, that's where we keep those.
I fixed it.
I'm gonna back it up. See if the
Transmission's locked up.
well, nah, it won't be, but or it works. Okay, what do we got on here? Oh, we got the defroster going. Airbag light is on for some reason. The check engine light isn't on, which is great. Ooh. Oh, I think the brake pedal just went to the floor. Busted a brake line. That was bound to happen. That was bound to happen. So I gotta fix that. Nah, I just broke a brake line. Pedal went right to the floor. Oh yeah. Okay, so I busted a brake line right there. Probably a crossover on the axle, right?
Yep.
Yeah, okay, there it is. That's rotten. Alright, so that's the next project. Get some brake lines and do that.
That is rotten.
That's alright though. I knew that was gonna happen from sitting here for a year. Got mold on it. Last time it was inspected is 2018. Yep. Alright, well, that's gonna do it for this one for now. I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, you know, steel brake lines and the where we are with the salt and the snow and everything. You park a vehicle on, you know, moisture gets underneath it and rots it out. So I knew that was going to happen. I figured it was going to happen. Better now in my driveway than going down the thruway. So what I will do is I'll get a coil of the brake line and I will I'll fix it. But for now, I think that's it for now. I got good oil pressure, temperature's coming up. Got good voltage. 120,000 miles. Oh, look at that. Airbag light went off. Good. Good. Problem is the inspection, they had to leave it in their shop with the battery unplugged for like a day to clear the code, because the code would pop back up in order for them to get it on the machine to inspect it. But now it looks like we fixed it. So good to go. I'm gonna end this video here. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.